Hey, I'm going to try something new. I am going to be working the soundboard for the show out at the Lamplight. I've been out there 20 years, been on stage, sang, even danced, even dressed up as a woman. And I wasn't nervous, but I'm really nervous about running the soundboard and getting it right. I used to DJ at a radio station where I spun records. That was a whole life ago. Looking at this new soundboard, it's a little daunting. So I'm going out there tonight. I'm going to figure it out, learn the light cues, learn how to use that machine. I better not be bad at it. I don't want to screw up for the show. I'll see you out at the theater. I've got to learn all this stuff. I used to DJ at a radio station.
It's not that big difference.
Well, okay, so I'm looking at the soundboard.
Yep.
He's showing me kind of what I got to do. Only
You don't
one.
have to. You don't ever mess with any of these.
Never going to mess with any of these.
No.
I've only
You don't
one.
have to. You don't ever mess with any of these.
Never going to mess with any of these.
No.
I've only got one.
This is the only one that you mess with.
This is the
one.
master
And you
controller.
use-
The volume knob.
You can use this as a slide,
Mhm.
but it's the volume knob is actually better.
There's
I learned that.
4 CDs up in here.
There's 4 in there.
Four. This number 3 is most of it.
That is your most. That's where you're going to.
What I got to do? Only
You don't
one.
have to. You don't ever mess with any of these.
Never, there's
I learned that.
420.
You can always throw this.
Well, I think I'm figuring it out. He's got it all pretty much written out for me. It shouldn't be any problem at all. That's Cindy.
Hi guys.
Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
Yeah. But no, I mean, it looks good. Gonna have a hit.